if function and how to track our business functions. And this sense is a very important tool. And you're going to look at all the invoices you issue. Could be invoices, could be your track, some of the things that you're doing in your shop or in your business or in the organization. So quickly, we just have to look at this spreadsheet that we just created. So these the invoices come to its so that we know which ones have had and which one have not. So basically, let's get to know what's the difference. This is the day that the invoice was paid, and we less the day to day, just to find out how many days are left. So on that, you have to close on the day to day using the F function, F4 function, just to close that. And you say you just enter your key in the keyboard, enter button in your keyboard, and you drag that going down. And let's find out the status. So is it expired? Has the day expired? Do we need to give warnings to our vendors, or have they been paid on time? That's what we're going to do right now here. So we are going to use the if function, and we say is equals to if function. You open the brackets, uh, you indicate the number of days left, and then you say for those which are less than 0 days, we are saying those have been expired. Uh, Put the comma, open the parentheses, just enter the word expired, and comma. Then for those which we need to give warning, to say if, open the brackets, if 5 days less or equals to days. That maybe the number of days you are giving, we are saying those we need to give warnings. Give warnings, close the parentheses. All others, maybe that are in this organizational Excel sheet or chart we use, we are saying if all others are not in that bracket, we are saying they have been paid on time. Could have been paid on time, and we just need to track them. Remember, C2 is basically these numbers, so we need to close them so that when you go down your data, only reflecting on those two and not going to any others. So we just put the F4 function just to close those columns, and then you just hit your enter button. It is showing you this is expired. So how do you drag down? You just click on this plus sign on your right hand. So it will put all the others. So let's just, for this to be very conspicuous, let's use conditional formatting so that we give different colors to any of these. In your organization, maybe those that are in the red, green, refer to something. We come to conditional formatting. Highlight the cells rule, text the contain button, and we're saying for those which have been expired, let's light the light red field to show them expired. For those on warnings, which color do we give? We say warnings. Those in warnings, or else we are giving them warnings, you just do another color depending on how you want them to how you want to track them. Which have been paid on time, just say paid on time. We say let's give, and that's it. So if you go down your chart, you will realize that they've been populated like that. So let's say we had one more column down here. Maybe you're still adding your data in this column, maybe for this month of October. And let's put the day as let's put the day and change this date. The sense it tracks your expenses and everything else. You can put another day, say 0, when the invoices have been done. 2024. Those are 02. Let's just say 30, 30th. You can see that changed for you. So you can easily see all that had been paid on time or the warnings. If you're adding data down there as well, maybe you had forgotten, let's say number 33, the invoice, we just say the invoice number is that. Let's put the day as um, maybe let's say 2nd of August 2024. Let's put it as expired. So we have the days left. It's an automatic. You come and put the day as 29th of September 2024, maybe an invoice date. It keeps you giving you those kind of parameters. So this is very important tool that can really help your organization move forward. For more and more tips, please click on the link below to subscribe and to follow this for many other tips. For more help, if you want to do this in your organization, have a system that can do this, make the call on the below line. I've put my phone number in there. Thank you very much. This was Gilbert Langat.